A smart working style for everyone. Welcome to this live streaming of Huawei Intelligent Collaboration 2022 new product launch. Perhaps you've noticed that we've changed the scenario to an office. Welcome to my new office. We're on the 20th floor and can see the beautiful city scene through my window. And I have a new assistant in my office, which is also the star of the launch event. To know more of this new office device, let's invite Wen Chao, the General Manager of Video Conferencing Products in Intelligent Collaboration Domain, today's Experience Officer, to unveil the new product with me. Hello, Ying. Hello, Wen Chao. Welcome to my office. In fact, this office scene is built to provide viewers an impressive experience. Here we have the new product. What is the official name? Huawei IdeaHub S2. Compared with the first generation product, what are the biggest changes? First of all, the IdeaHub S2 has a prominent big eye, making it very unique. In addition, it is equipped with a new hardware platform with superior computing power. It runs the Harmony OS with extensive app ecosystem, providing users with a smooth and professional meeting experience. I particularly like its appearance that I can't get my eyes off it. Let's find out more about Huawei IdeaHub S2. How about giving us a demonstration right now? Yes, words are not enough to express how intelligent the IdeaHub S2 is. Let's start a meeting right now, and we can directly feel the changes. Speaking of having a meeting, we have to prepare a lot of things. Are we having the meeting now? Yes. Let's have a cross-country meeting. So, it's not just two of us. It's very simple. On the home screen, there are three most frequently used applications: meeting, whiteboard, and projection. We have multiple methods to join a meeting. The easiest way is to tap the scheduled meeting to join in. We're already in the meeting? Yeah. Now we're in a multinational meeting, and we can interact with our colleagues in various countries. Hi, everybody. Hello, everyone. Hello, Ying and Mr. Wen. I'm Ma Jiwei. I'm right in front of the Eiffel Tower in Paris, France. Are you sure that you're not in front of a green screen? Actually, I'm in Shenzhen Century Park. No, I'm kidding. Let me show you around. Now, we believe you are in Paris, not in front of a green screen. Very happy to meet you, Jiwei. Here, we also have Chen Jian in Düsseldorf, Germany. Hello, Chen Jian. Hello, everyone. I'm Chen Jian in Düsseldorf, Germany. I noticed that when we are connected to Germany and Paris, there's no delay. How is this possible? Based on years of experience in real-time audio and video communication technologies, we use the most cutting-edge audio and video coding algorithms to implement ultra-low latency transmission. It's a real-time audio-visual technology. Yeah, it's what Huawei is specialized in and good at. Clarice in South Africa. Hello, Clarice. Hello, everyone. I'm in the City of Gold, Johannesburg, South Africa. And we have two colleagues from Shenzhen. Hello. Hello, everyone. We are now at Huawei Shenzhen base. I'm glad to meet you. Hello, Ying. One interesting thing I noticed is that the camera automatically focuses on the speaker. What is this function? This is the auto-framing function of our smart camera. Let my colleagues from Shenzhen to give us a quick demonstration. Okay, as you can see, the camera automatically gives me a close-up image when I'm talking. It accurately locates the position of the speaker to ensure the speaker is always in the center position. Wow, this function is like the program director, who is responsible for the images. Now, with auto-framing, we don't need to switch between images manually, and the system can determine who should be at the center position. Yes, this is the AI capability of our system. Just as Mr. Sun said, we deal with complexity ourselves while bringing simplicity to our customers. Is there a number limit? How many people can be framed in? Technically, even a meeting room is crowded with people. The function can work properly in a 10 to 12 meter distance. It has covered the needs of most daily meetings. There is a possibility that it will replace some directors' job, since we already have such advanced technology in office scenario. The auto-framing function is a perfect method to stand out the speakers during a meeting. In addition to this, what are other cool functions? In meetings, we often need to write on the board to share our ideas. We can open the whiteboard to try out the smooth writing function. Writing experience is indeed an important factor. I can choose different color, thickness, and brush type, right? Yes, this is a smart pen. Okay, I'll write the name of the product, IdeaHub. This writing experience is smooth. It features 16 ms ultra-low writing latency, the lowest in the industry, as easy as writing with pen and paper. I'm not writing anything. What is going on? Our colleagues around the world are writing on the same whiteboard. You mean that colleagues at the different sites, whether they're in South Africa, Shenzhen, Dongguan, France, and Germany, can write content with us on the same whiteboard in real time? Yes, this is our remote collaboration. I thought the IdeaHub is telling us how cool it is. It has app multiplier, cloud conferencing, and 4K display. We have very good and nice on screen. Oh, I see someone is drawing something. Yes, this is the collaboration and co-creation. May I ask who painted this face? Can they hear me? Yes, this should be our colleagues in Shenzhen. Hello, Ying-Ying, it's me who's drawing the face. Yes, colleagues in different places can write on their own devices. Therefore, everyone can share their notes on one screen at the same time. In a remote meeting, we inspire ideas through such interaction and collaboration. I've read a sentence. The whiteboard frees us from structured and boundary thinking and enables us to think anytime and anywhere. Indeed, you can draw, write, and brainstorm anything on the whiteboard as you like. I saw colleagues in different places are joining the meeting with different devices, such as computers, mobile phones, and the IdeaHub. Can we use our phones to connect the IdeaHub to share more information with colleagues? Of course. In Huawei, many colleagues are in different countries and time zones. Some people may be on the way to work or on a business trip when a meeting starts. The first thing is to access the meeting using our mobile device. After they get back to the office or meeting room, they'd like to transfer the meeting to a more professional device to obtain a better meeting experience. In this case, we will use the video conferencing transfer capability to directly transfer a meeting from a mobile phone to the large screen. How to transfer? I'll exit the current meeting and then rejoin it on my mobile phone. Goodbye to everyone, and we'll be back in a minute. Next, I'll join the meeting simply by one tap on my phone. Then I can click the meeting transfer icon, find the IdeaHub to transfer the meeting, and no further operation is required. Now, I'm already in the meeting. In addition, our phone can be used as a remote control to turn on or off the video and microphone, and perform meeting control functions. It's easy to use and doesn't occupy phone resources. The big screen provides a better and more professional meeting experience. All the colleagues can see and hear us in real time with the professional capabilities of the large screen. The IdeaHub provides a seamless meeting experience. Thank all the colleagues from remote sites, and I'll disconnect the meeting now. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. I can end the meeting on my phone directly. One more thing I noticed is that in our office, most desks have the power outlets because there are many cables and power sockets for various devices. However, the IdeaHub has only one cable, which is also the power cable. The IdeaHub uses Wi-Fi to access the network. Therefore, we only need to connect the power cable. And the IdeaHub doesn't require a port for projection. It is connected in a wireless way to share meeting materials, so we don't need extra cables. I've been having such troubles dealing with the projector. There's complex cables and ports, Wi-Fi connection, and some program costs a lot. Yes, exactly. There's projection cost. The IdeaHub has resolved all the issues. Though many products in the market support wireless projection, they feature complex operations. These products require mobile phones or computers to connect to the same Wi-Fi network, and the stability of the projection is determined by the network. In addition, many enterprises have strict network permission management. Therefore, the access of some guest devices is restricted, resulting in low meeting efficiency. In this case, we have developed a function called Wi-Fi 6 for direct projection. It means that I can project my mobile phone to the IdeaHub without connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. The projection is simpler than ever, without the need for cabling or network connections. You can add another one. No more payment for the projection. Yes. Could you please show me how to project the screen? As you said, these are the three most commonly used functions of IdeaHub. We've introduced the meeting and whiteboard functions. How about the projection function? I use my mobile phone to make a quick demonstration. Actually, it is very simple. I open the projection app. I only need to enter a letter, and the app automatically associates the entire projection code that contains 8 letters. You only need to enter one letter. Yes, just that simple. Then you can start projection. You can also see that airplane mode is enabled and the phone is not connected to any network. I see, it's in airplane mode. So projection can be implemented without connections to the internet, to Wi-Fi, or extra payment. That's right. Now, I tap the projection button to share the screen of the phone. After that, we can select photos. I recognize the big eye. That is the smart camera on IdeaHub. I can see that the color of the photo projected from the phone to the large screen is vivid and true to life. We can directly zoom in or out on the mobile phone to have the same operations on the large screen. Well, this is the 4K f1.8 and 80-degree wide-angle camera. How many layers of lenses are there? Many layers. Of course, this is actually a concept diagram. Since the new IdeaHub series has so many projection methods, it significantly solves many problems. In addition to these functions, I can't wait to know more about it. My pleasure. The IdeaHub S2 runs the Harmony OS that provides a diverse app ecosystem. In Huawei App Gallery, we can see an app library specific to the IdeaHub. In this library, we can see different office and tool categories, including news and education. I've seen our app, CCTV News, and I think many of our friends are watching this event through this app. In Huawei App Gallery, we can see that there are many apps. For example, we can open one app, iLearning. It is a Huawei learning and communication platform that provides many training courses. Here, what is this course? It's ICT Research and Development Learning. Wait for a moment. Generally, after we tap the content, a new window is displayed. Why are there two windows opened on the same screen? It is a new function called App Multiplier, which allows one app to be displayed in two windows. The left window shows the menus for navigation. In the right window, we can view the specific content. For example, here we can open and view a training course on programming. The core of App Multiplier is to ensure that portrait-based apps can be used on the large screen without black bars, and the window size can be adjustable for easier operations. To date, App Multiplier is compatible with over 1,000 apps, enriching the app ecosystem of the next-generation IdeaHub. This function is incredible and is especially useful for me because I just want to know both the general information and details. By using this function, the information is completely presented in two windows on one screen. In addition to this, we have another interesting function called multi-window. But we already have two windows. In the previous function, an app is displayed on the split screen. In this function, two apps are displayed on the same screen. Here, we can also open a whiteboard. In this case, we can view training materials or videos while opening a whiteboard and annotating on the whiteboard. For example, I'm now using the whiteboard and displaying an app. I can also write on the whiteboard here, and you can also perform operations in the left window. In this function, two apps are simultaneously opened on one screen. Is that correct? Yes. I noticed that there is a bar in the middle. What's this? You can drag it freely to adjust the scale and layout on both sides. Then the display of each window is also being adapted. You can see that the whole process is very smooth without any frame freezing. Therefore, such adaptation allows us to take notes while viewing materials. I think the function is great, as I can use different apps concurrently. I like this function so much. It's very useful. Wow, I think we often join meetings and write scripts. When writing scripts, we will use countless pieces of paper, making a mess. I think an IdeaHub S2 with such a good function is incredibly useful. After the event, I will tell my boss to order one to make our office smarter. With enterprise offices becoming more and more digitalized, the IdeaHub is a powerful new tool that makes work easier. My colleague Yang Bingqian recently visited an office nearby to see what a digital office is like.
Hello everyone, I'm Yan Bingshuan and I work as a reporter for CCTV. Today I'm going to the smart office environment and explore the smart working style. Today we invited a guiding specialist, my friend Yao Cao, to join us.
Hello, Bingshun.
I see there are a lot of large screens in the open air. Can you show me around?
Of course. Come on, let's go have a look.
Hi, excuse me. What are you all talking about?
We're working on a campaign plan. Do you want to join us?
If it is okay for you, may I take a look?
You can try it out.
There is a whiteboard area that allows us to draw and write on screen.
In the past, we can only brainstorm using a computer. It is difficult to combine all the edits and ideas together. Now, two people can annotate on the large screen at the same time, which is much more convenient.
I noticed that there are two windows on the screen. One is your note, and the other is a web page to browse online information.
Yes, this is the multi-window function, thanks to the capabilities of Harmony OS. We don't need to switch between apps to improve overall efficiency. It perfectly integrates the productivity tool to Offices with fully upgraded collaborative experience.
Sounds very nice. I don't want to take up any more of your time. Please continue.
Hello, Mr. Liao.
Hello. Guan, please revise the plan as we discussed.
Okay.
Welcome to Huawei, Miss Yan. You see, the screen's interconnection with phones and PCs is very convenient and user-friendly. With its help, I can start a video meeting right in my office without wasting time walking between meeting rooms. Moreover, the App Store allows us to easily download commonly used apps, including CCTV News, Cloud Documents, and Cloud Videos.
This screen is an entrance to Enterprise Smart Office and a tool for leaders to improve digital management.
If you'll excuse me, I have a meeting scheduled. We'd like to invite you to stay and see how Smart Office works. We can scan the code to directly join the meeting. We're gathered here to discuss the stage scenery of this event.
One thing that I noticed is that we have colleagues from Shenzhen and Guangzhou,
Yes, Shenzhen colleagues are connected using the PC.
but their image is as like they are still using the screen's camera.
They're making use of the BYOM function. Once they join a meeting, they can use the IdeaHub's camera, microphone, and speakers without interrupting the meeting. Only one large screen is installed in a meeting room because it integrates basically everything required by a traditional meeting room.
I see how smooth they're using the screen. It must be very friendly for beginners.
You're right. My colleagues all commented on how easy the IdeaHub is to get started, and they don't need to learn anything.
I have an idea. How about switching to LED lighting?
I notice how clear their voices are. Normally, we would worry that reverberations may affect the audio, especially most are in glass meeting rooms.
Huawei IdeaHub adopts the de-reverberation technology to address such issues.
We have a first draft for discussion, and I want to know your ideas.
Now, meetings and materials are coordinated, and this collaboration improves efficiency and user experience. In addition, you can directly scan the QR code to save the whiteboard content.
Today's journey took me from the open work area, manager's office, and the meeting room. All left me with a deep impression. From employees to the manager, the idea of intelligence had penetrated into their daily work. Moving to a smart working style is not far away, and everyone can get quickly started. In this way, everyone's working efficiency will be significantly improved.